Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M12 and let me share with you how to change video resolution or video size on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app. So let's tap on it, and now we have to enter the settings which are in the left upper corner. As you can see, on the second position we've got the video section, and here we've got actually two options which we can customize. We've got the rear video size, so it means that this option is attached to the camera located at the back of your device, and obviously the front video size will be connected with this camera. So let me show you how to do it using, for example, rear video size. And as you can see here, we've got three different options to choose from. We've got 16:9, which is right now applied. We can also set full size and 1:1. Obviously, by tapping on full, the camera shape will be elongated to the full screen. 1:1, then it will look like a square. As you can see, only in the option 16:9 we've got the resolution. So let me tap on it, and here we've got another two different options from which we can choose. We can set FHD, which is right now also applied and with 30 frames per second, and we can set HD also with 30 frames per second. So in order to change it, all you have to do is simply tap on the option you'd like to use, and as you can see, it immediately changes. So it means that from now on your device will use it and record videos in chosen resolution. Obviously, you can change the size the same way just by tapping on those options, but as you can see, after tapping on full and 1:1, you cannot choose the resolution. So actually that's all. This is how to change video size and resolution in your Samsung Galaxy M12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.